Alright, make a short little video here about how to wrap a door handle properly. Working on this Audi Allroad right here, wrapping her matte black. Doing some overlays, got some underlays on it already right here. Looking pretty cool so far, but wrap the side of it at this point. So now I'm going to wrap the handle matte black, make it look like that one. Kind of show you guys quickly how to do that pretty easily. Got a rectangular piece cut here. I'm trying to do this one-handed here with holding the phone. Get a piece about that big. Stick it on the front right there. Hold it like so. Heat it up. Nice and hot. Those two hands here. Basically stretch it across the front. At the ends you're going to stretch it up and down like that. Same with this side. Stretch it up. Stretch it down. That's basically going to pre-stretch the whole thing. So when you hit it with heat, it's going to want to just shrink right around the handle. So what I do after I do that, I stick it top bottom. Yep. Let the vinyl cool, so now it's held its form. I'm going to lift each end up here, stick it down, squeegee it real good. This is all pre-stretched and it's cooled down enough right now so it's not going to go anywhere, so you can pop that off if you want to. Get it wrapped real good around there like that. Get each end like that. So now, since it's pre-stretched, rub this along here, get that down pretty good. Since it's pre-stretched now, the second you hit it with heat, the handle's pretty much going to wrap itself. You got each end real good. A little bit on top, a little bit on the bottom. See that right there? Pretty much wrapped itself, so now all you got to do is get it down. Apologize about the shaky hand here. It's Sunday. Partied a little bit too hard this weekend. Gotta get work done when you can get it done though. So from here it's just working it down around. I'm gonna get it all the way to the door and then kind of go behind the handle. Now, this is a black car, so it's not going to be as big of a deal, but if you get a colored car, it's going to be more crucial that you do that. You can't really have any color showing through. Just go around and get that wrapped. Squeeze it all the way down tight. Now all you gotta do is cut it out. And because this one's black, I'm not going to be too concerned about wrapping it around the back too far. Carefully take my blade on that side. Now I've already tucked all this with my squeegee. So all I gotta do is run it along the edge there. Same thing on the bottom here. Just going to kind of loop it around. Because it's black, I'm not going to worry about tucking it behind there. You won't be able to see much of that. should be cut. Carefully peel it back just in case you missed the spot. Once you stretch it, it does tear pretty easily, kind of like right there. So now you've almost got a perfectly wrapped door handle, and I haven't even gone back over and finished it yet. It's all about the pre-stretching. So once you pre-stretch it, and then the second you hit it with heat again, it pretty much wraps itself. So if you do that properly, you don't got to worry about really cranking with the squeegee and all that good stuff. So from there, it's just cutting it a couple times, and that is the finished product right there. Good luck.